Autophagy has earned its reputation as the biological fountain of youth, a process so elegant and efficient that scientists practically gush about it. In simple terms, it's your body's recycling system. Old proteins are dismantled, broken mitochondria are tossed out, and cellular junk is repurposed into shiny new parts. In studies on yeast, worms, flies, and mice, fasting-induced autophagy often shows a direct link with longer lifespan and healthier aging. The story almost writes itself. Skip breakfast, let autophagy hum along, and voila, you've unlocked the secret to longevity. But humans, as usual, complicate things with pesky realities like hunger, social schedules, and the tendency to get cranky when running on fumes. The contradiction is both fascinating and a little funny. The cellular janitors inside you are busy extending your lifespan, while your brain is screaming for toast just to make it through a morning meeting. Animal studies have made this connection clear. Caloric restriction and fasting increase autophagy and consistently extend lifespan across many species. Worms fast a little longer and suddenly live double their normal days. Mice on restricted feeding regimens not only live longer, but also develop fewer age-related diseases. It's as if autophagy is their secret anti-aging serum, and fasting is the way to activate it. Translating this to humans, though, isn't quite so straightforward. Sure, skipping breakfast might give your cells an extra round of cleanup and mimic those longevity benefits in theory. But humans don't live in clean laboratory cages. We juggle jobs, stress, late-night snacks, and the fact that our brains consume about a fifth of our daily energy just to think straight. So while worms and mice might happily extend their lives on fasted mornings, humans who try the same may simply end up glaring at coworkers or making questionable decisions before noon. That's where the paradox gets really interesting. Autophagy thrives in scarcity, but human life is built around energy flow. Breakfast provides glucose, stabilizes mood, fuels focus, and supports metabolic health. Autophagy provides long-term resilience, disease prevention, and cellular spring cleaning. The two don't play well at the same time, but both are essential in different ways. Skipping breakfast may stretch out the fasting window, nudging autophagy into a deeper, more productive state, but eating breakfast ensures you can actually function, study, work, or exercise in the short term. It's like having to choose between saving money in a retirement account or paying rent this month. You need both, just on different timelines. Scientists have also noted that while fasting boosts autophagy, too much restriction can backfire in humans. Chronic underfeeding can lead to muscle loss, lowered immunity, and even reduced cognitive performance. That's why longevity research has shifted toward ideas like intermittent fasting and time-restricted eating, which allow people to capture the benefits of autophagy without sacrificing daily energy needs. In practice, this means you don't need to skip breakfast every single day to live longer. Some days you let autophagy run its quiet marathon through the morning, and other days you happily dig into your eggs and oatmeal, trusting that the janitors will return later when your eating window closes. The funny part is how human biology refuses to be dogmatic. Worms might live longer when they fast, but humans thrive on variety. Autophagy whispers, delay breakfast, and I'll give you a shot at longevity, while your stomach growls, eat something now or we'll make you regret it. Both voices are right. The trick is to enjoy the flexibility. Sometimes feed your cells by fasting, sometimes feed your brain with a proper breakfast, and laugh at the fact that the very act of choosing makes you human. Longevity is not just about living longer. It's also about having the energy to enjoy your life, whether that means another decade in the future or simply a clear-headed morning today. So, does skipping breakfast help you live longer? Possibly, if it gives autophagy a little more room to shine. But eating breakfast helps you live better right now, keeping your mood, memory, and metabolism running smoothly. The contradiction isn't a problem to solve, it's a balance to enjoy. Because in the grand comedy of biology, sometimes you win with polished mitochondria, sometimes with pancakes, and often with both.